The objective was the objection to this most objectionable world. I am Andy, not my real name, so good luck finding me, Mr. Bloom. My real name is in fact
Andrew, and I live in, note this down, a deluded pseudo-reality of my own making, which is in fact the most densely populated
place on Earth these days, overcrowded. Generally, as always known, it's been over to whose motherland is mentioned. It's Alice.
Yes, indeed, it is Alice. Alice, who the bleep is Alice. I am not... But you can just sort of sense it from the timbre of my voice.
Let's spin the wheel and pop.
Find out where we're getting today's news from. Here, it's coming from here. I must get a new wheel with at least one other place on it. And the headline today, Alice, our borders are safe. We can all easy in our well-bordered beds. 4,000 illegals were deported last month. These illegal people breaking the law just by existing. And of course, illegality is contagious. It can osmose through your skin just by standing next to an illegal person. So we've got rid of 4,000 of them.
My question for you is, why only 4,000? Is that really enough? I would...
Feel safe until at least another 75 million people have been deported from this country. And I'm here in Britain on my own.
I would normally be outraged about this, but really I think mass deportation is a very handy way to break up with a partner. I'm sorry, baby, I love you, but an anonymous source reported you were snoring really loudly in a French way.
So everyone out, no exceptions. Alice, not even you. It's for the good of the country. Everyone out, unless you can prove the background of the Blair Tapestry cheering on King Harold. Get it! Actually, that's not British enough. Unless you can show unarguably that the direct bloodline is untainted by anything since before the Romans. Unless your Clarence ancestor was personally responsible for building Stonehenge, get out and get it. I guess when you look at it, you know,
To stop immigration, apart from, obviously, the...